Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.